You'll drop it down and then we'll tighten it up with a hand tool.
Learning the ins and outs of heating and air units.
Oh,
Yes,
down
sir.
here.
Yes, sir. There you go.
The HVAC trade is drawing lots of students to Rob Brantley's class at Coastal Alabama Community College in Atmore.
We start every student on the basic components of the HVAC system: capacitors, contactors, relays, the things that make up an HVAC system.
Brantley's course is popular. It's grown to 25 students per class, and now there's a wait list to join. Many previous students have completed the course and found careers right away.
I personally can attest to the number of employers that would call Mr. Brantley, our instructor, wanting his students even before they actually finish the program. When they graduate, they might not have been in the HVAC field prior to completion, but upon completion, they are employed in the HVAC field now.
A school tour led Ben Lindsay to taking the class, and now he's ahead of the game. He's already received his associate's degree in HVAC before graduating high school in May.
I like working with my hands. I felt like it was something, if I didn't do it, I would have regretted it.
Hard work paid off. He has job offers on the table and feels confident he could deliver results when customers call. If you're like me, you've had one of these units break down during a hot Gulf Coast summer. It's something we can't really avoid, but that's why there's always a need for HVAC technicians.
We love the heat. That's the reason why we live down here, but we need that AC at the end of the day.
Jeff DeRitter is a retired U.S. airman and used to work on air conditioning support equipment for aircraft. His time as a student at Coastal helped him forge a new path for himself, one that allows him to serve his community.
Rob taught me about the air pressures, the static pressures. He taught me how to check every component in the system. And after learning all that, I decided to start my own company.
Brantley is proud of his students' accomplishments. He credits college leadership for making sure his students have what they need to succeed.
We do actually allow them to work on some of the older equipment because you have to know how to service that. But we teach them how to install the latest, the greatest, the high SEER equipment that everyone wants.
That way, they know how to keep the Gulf Coast cool and continue powering progress in Alabama's workforce. In Atmore, Akivia McFarland, WKRG News 5.